The Ugly Pie Company is pretty delicious, and we are going to have custom-built pizzas ready for you in 90 seconds. And this is going to be ready in 14 days.
Very good.
And we will look forward to having you here. You can make your own or have one of our pizzas. That we have specialty pizzas, salads. We're going to serve Lavazza coffee, which is the famous coffee straight from Italy. And we're going to have beer and wine once we get our liquor license going. So we're really excited here to be in El Segundo in the original firehouse next to the 7-Eleven that won the Powerball 2 weeks ago and the famous Farmer Boys.
Great. And let me ask you this. Can you tell me a little bit about this company, where it started, or is this the first one?
This is our first one.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So we're really excited. There's another sister type of store in Long Beach, but it doesn't have the same name. But we're excited to be part of this, and we're really looking forward to feeding all the people in El Segundo.
So this is a first, just like Rockin' Brews.
That's right.
Was. You know, Rockin' Brews was the first.
Right.
So we have another first here.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. A lot of firsts, and there's a lot of people coming here that are so happy. When I interviewed my staff, it was, do you have a smile and a twinkle in your eye?
Okay.
That's what it's all about.
How's it been working with El Segundo?
Oh, awesome. Beautiful city. Called immediately, and my contractor would call, and the building inspector was out the next day. It's awesome.
Oh.
Love El Segundo. Went to a very fiery, passionate city council meeting.
Got it. So in 14 days, we're going to be able to come in and taste what you have to offer.
Absolutely. Please.
Great. All right, we'll be looking forward to it, and I'll get the word out. So give us the date.
Maybe March 29, but I will email you first.
Okay, and I'll keep my peeps updated.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Bye.